Well, let's see. All right. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, look at this. Today, looking at some charts, we got some heavy news dropping in the middle of the day for me, like, but pretty much triggered a lot of information across the board, but no nice setups. But currently, you got the euro here on 5 minutes. Look at this. I'm gonna show you something. Flat. Yeah. We're breaking out and then picking it up. Yeah, right. Never mind this. Actually, I wanted to do this. Actually, we came from here. We went down, came back. Let's zoom in. Let's do this. We went back. Okay, we closed above, but never mind. Went back down a little bit. Right. We closed above, so power is up, right? From this point here. Check this out. Right? Power's up from where? From here? Maybe. From here? For sure. Alright. Check it out. How's that? Up, down to pick up the gap, picking it up again. I mean, come on, people. It's not a lot of R, but move is there. Trying to pick it up again. Doesn't really work from that place. Not really, but I mean, then again, you would probably not put stop here, maybe here. Maybe this works, maybe not, who knows, right? I mean, I got 0.5 pip spread, but yeah, perhaps the stop should be down here, even if you're using this level, right? Regardless, so spread and placement aside, it's not low enough to get you out, is my point. And look what we have, another reaction up, and then huge reaction, right? Huge pickup from here, from this level, right? Where's the reaction? Not really anything. I mean, the smallest hammer bar, whatever, doji. Okay, I guess we're gonna use this then. Alright. Let's call it some kind of signal, huh? Right. To here, that's nothing. But I mean, look at how much there was. 4. Wow. Probably on another time frame there was something interesting. Now look. All this open space used up. What happens? Harami stop formation right here. Harami stop, and what's this? These three together, right? Power up. So first stop, then power up. What do we have from this huge thing? Probably, I mean, I'm not, yeah, that's what goes on in my head. And we go back to the highs and we close above. Some empty space here, not really empty space, but I guess it's holding. And then some, yeah, anyway. So today I had a different idea though, to try something else. So let's zoom out. Let's have all of this, remove it. I want to show something else. Let's go on, I think, let's do this. Oh no, wait, I know it's working on that one. You know what? Let's pick something else. Look, here's some random stock or whatever. That's interesting. Looks broken. I mean, that's awesome, right? It's excellent. Okay, let's go what, like daily? Okay. Alright. So, look at this, because obviously it goes up from here, right? See this double level, what I want to highlight here is here. Okay. Now check it out. We turn here, here, some gap, interesting, doesn't go below, and then we go up, right? We go up here, and now, so what we expect the power to be up, because swings and goes up, yeah? Expect reaction from this, kind of reaction here, right? So we should, you would say, okay, so this is the long, this is the target. Yeah, sure, yes, but that's not what I want to show today. So now we are going to highlight the low here, and then we're going to go all the way here, and let's see if we get some, you know, the daily, right? Let's see if we get some bullish waves, like in this area, or maybe higher, but somewhere here, but on another time frame. So this is quite broken, but let's go with like 15 minutes. It should be sufficient. All right, and let's zoom in. Let's do this. All right, should be something, and let's go. Oh, it goes down. Interesting. Reaction of something. That's not a gap though, but I guess this thing is. Let's see if that's what it's trying to do. It's way too narrow. I mean, cannot be there. I mean, I'm just gonna do like a line actually. Right. That is very interesting. How do you like that? Yeah. That's the box low, box right. So let's move the box. Okay. Okay. Let's do like this. See if we get any more nice bull action. I would say we would need to pass close above this, which, I mean, did we close above it? If I have to zoom in and look again, we didn't, but I mean, it looks like we did by like nothing. Anyway, so we have the reaction from this thing. I want the reaction from here. Let's go, come on. There we go. Now we have the reaction. Now we need a close above this, because you see, turning here, right? We need a close above this. If we get it. I'm not sure. Come on. Oh, see? Down, up, up, back down, back up. Now we have bull action here. Now, after this, bull action has been proven and signal can be used here. Let's zoom in to see that again. We get down to the level, right? This is the level, right? We are here. Let's make this cleaner. Okay, we touch the level here, right? Now, we touch it, something happens, right? We are here. Now we create the first wave and get back to where we touched it. I mean, if it's this pin or this pin, but look at the cursor. If this is where we touched it, this, I see it, but I zoom in to prove a point. So go down, some reaction, we go down, bull reaction, we get back to where the reaction was from. So this bar, this is the first bar that originates the move up, right? And then we get down and we get a second reaction now after this close above this high, meaning we start here, go down. After this bar, we now have proven bull action. Now we now need a signal, and I know this is now in the way. This is not a signal, this is spinning top. I don't want to be like, yeah, like that, but this is more obvious, this thing. So let's put along here. Let's now, like I said, I think yesterday or the day before, like an average size bar height of distance. So like maybe this bar, maybe these of distance in thickness for the stop, right? Should be regardless of what instrument you're using. If you don't have this spread for the stop, I mean, maybe you should look at another instrument, but yeah, that's my idea, right? And then now we are targeting the high, because this is not proven, this is not proven, these are our intro moves. This, however, is where we came from. When I trade this live, I go for a 1-to-1, but this is where the target should go normally. So now you get the idea, right? This was from a daily level. Now for a reaction on 15. If this is actually a winning trade or not, I have no idea. But that is the model, right? Let's see if this plays out though. Well, if it doesn't play out, then that's that. Well, who knows, right? Maybe not, maybe yes. Maybe we should go do this, huh? There you go. Did this work? I don't know. Does this look like it hits the target? Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again. Right? Let's do this again. Okay. We can clear these. Clear everything. Let's go on daily. Let's see, what else do we have? What was I looking at? Yes, I wanted to look at something. Oh, I already did. Yeah, I had the position in this. I was looking at this from the OMX. If you can't tell by the dialect. Yeah, this one. Position in this particular one, right? So we could go on a random place on the chart and try to find this particular setup model, or I could just point towards a place on the chart and show how it's supposed to look, right? So let's remove this, because that makes this process rather more simple and easy. Okay. Now we go down. We came here. We came up. I don't want to scroll forever. We came down to the same level. Whatever. Double tops. Who cares? Now it's a low. So we are looking for lows from here. All right. You see this way all the way to this. All right. Now just before. Yeah. Okay. Let's. Okay. If you don't get it, we were here. We created high, we created same level, and we created even lower low. So you might say, okay, but this is the high. Oh yes, sure, but the intra swing in this particular case, right? Just for example. Okay, anyway, now let's go here. Let's see if we can find, this is 26, July 23. We can do this. Yeah, we can go, let's go 15. Let's zoom out. Alright, we are up there. So now we're looking for bear. First of all, get to the area, right? And then reaction. Now we touch the area. Okay. Now, initially I would say, okay, we need to go past this and then create bear action down. But, you know, we could be going here and create something here as well. But let's see what happens. Okay, we are there. We push down, good. Okay, not be okay. Now we would need to get to here somewhere, or maybe here, and then create another swing down. Let's see. Doesn't really look that good, to be honest. But hey. Yeah, I could go, yeah, this is a green bar, this is a red bar, we went down and now we went back up again, and then now we have like, yeah, 1, 2 zigzag pattern over here, but just doesn't look good, right? Anyway, let's move on. Let's see if we see anything useful. Okay, does not look nice to me. Okay, so now we have a move down. We have another down, up and retrace, and another down. So I guess we would be looking for shorts from here. I think it's a bit unlikely, but let's see if we get something. Yeah, so the idea is then, right? I would like to have a reaction from here and there, but I mean, because, yeah, I guess in this case this will have to do as an example. Touching here with a 1, 2, 1 is what I would do. Do we have any lows to target? I mean, I don't really see anything, right? This, we don't really have anything to target. I guess that will have to do. Yeah. I don't remember. How far did it go before it turned up? It did go bullish, right? Anyway. Let's see. Yeah. So this time it didn't work to that. But yeah, it didn't really look that good up here anyway, either. So the idea is, I mean, you've probably seen this many times. Let's move the drawings. The idea is we get to a level and then what do we have that looks good? This, not super nice. This might be useful. Yeah, so let's say there's a major level somewhere here. Let's say this is a major level. Now we're looking at a 15-minute chart, right? We get up to the level here, right? And this is something, I don't know what it is, but this is something, and we have a reaction be going down, right? One way down, we go up again, we go down, and now the next time we come back, right here, we now have bear signals to go short, targeting this. If you want to use this pin, or I mean something in here, or some engulfing here, or I don't know, you can see it by the chart, it works out. But yeah, and yeah, maybe you would say, oh, but the force, the power changed to bullish here. Yeah, maybe. But when we get back to here, we close again below, we're again bearish, and this is where a signal is, right? Because, right, if we go here, still that is bear, right? Bear action, and we go up. Now when we cross this, we have bull power, so we can't look for shorts. But we go back to the area, we get down again from here, and we get up again. We can indeed look for shorts, because now the power is back down here, right? Here is, that's pretty much it there, and target whatever. Like I said, normally I go for 1-to-1 on these, but yeah, go ahead if you want, target whatever you want. Yeah, right, I'm not here to tell you what to do. This is kind of a model that I wanted to use like the backtesting tool to test today, but I don't really need to test it, because I look at maybe 3 or 4 of these every day. So yeah, they all work quite often, I would say. I'm not gonna try to push any numbers, right? So like the idea is, the question becomes, okay, so which time frames do you put together? I have no idea. Well, what I personally do on the FX or futures is a 1 hour plus 5 minute, and we could try. This is stocks, but we could try with 1 hour on this. But I think it's a bit. We need a bit more solid action, so I think daily is better. So what I would do, like looking for it. Let's I guess this works. Just go back a bit. So let's exit this because I don't need it now. What I would do, you see, okay, so we came up, we get down, up again, whatever, came down, okay. Okay, this makes us look for shorts, right? Cool. Back for retest. You know, I might go and say, oh, this is a level, look for retest, and in this area find something, but that's not what I'm trying to do now. So we go down, we go back up, we go down again. So this is an area though. Let's remove this circle. Once this has been created, we go down, we came back up, right? So I'm not looking for any breaker or whatever. If you're into that stuff, that's not my point here. But we came back to the level for retest, right? Another time we go again short, we go down lower, right? So we know this level has had some significance, right? So outlining this like this. Why that much? Because this is where we turned. This is the first kind of gap thing, or maybe this small thing, but I can't see it, so it's not there. And so I outline this, and when we get back into this area, I will look in here for similar pattern, like short. We reach it, wave, retrace, and back down. In my notes, it's called. What do I call it? Let me give me 1 second. I'm gonna check the notes. It's called. Stop behind sweep. Yes. What did I go? Yes. Sweep, chalk, retrace, enter. That's it. Right? I'm actually using paper to write things down. Imagine that, huh? Sweep, chalk, retrace, enter. Yeah. So again, we push lower from here. We get to this point, and we came back up to some area. Now, this is the high in that case. to here. Look again, you see this small thing tag in here. Let's zoom in. Okay, we come here. This is not close enough. We come here and I see it touches and creates this action and goes down. I can see it here, but you can see it better on a smaller time frame. But yeah, so that's the basic idea. Push down lower. We came back up because these prices are the prices we want, right? But the point is, I want to see in this particular area, when we get back to the level, I want to see here the sweep, chalk, retrace, and then the signal. So four things, and I can show you what they look like, but not on double time frames. It would be like this. Is it here? Sweep, chalk, retrace. Yeah, might be. Maybe it's not the cleanest one, but yeah, maybe. So we're going up, right? We're going up. So this level should hold. Guess what? It doesn't hold. Here it doesn't hold, but it creates action going up, right? This then is the sweep. We go up, and here is some kind of significant turning point, which we close above. Then we have the chalk, right? Because we changed direction, yeah. And then we have the big retrace, and guess what? Some kind of signal probably here. I mean, this is quite. There's no free action here, so to speak. I mean, this is overlapping all over the place, but the signal is here in the general area. Right here. Here's the signal, and we target, yeah, the highs, yeah, okay, whatever. But like I said, I want to one, and normally I want to see the sweep. I want to see like the power from the sweep, and we go push higher, and I want to see from this area a box, let's say like this, and I want to see a signal overlapping this box, so perhaps like this. And I want, for an even more perfect setup, if it's possible, such a thing, I want my stop to cover the sweep thing, and I want my target for a 1-to-1, something like this. Now we're entering here, so in that case we would need to go like this, and we would need to target something here. I mean, it looks like we are matching this here, high here, so it sounds good. And yeah, that's pretty much the model. Like I said, you could be aiming for the high if you want. Right. Let's yeah, not really much to test. Yes, I have to check one thing on the CL actually. I was watching it because I had a there was a notification. I think I need to move it. Oh yes. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I was looking for shorts. I had short here actually. Grabbed a short here like 1 day ago off this. Stop somewhere here, I think actually stop here because this thing just, I mean, really small stop, but yeah, I went for this, and yeah, as you see, it reached target. Yeah, and I was looking for a signal within this, but I didn't find it. We just totally went through this. I mean, price came back to the level, but no signal on the lower frame. So this is 1 hour, and I was looking on, let's go like this, we don't need to see this right now. So now we are looking for up, we are yeah, this can be here, this can actually be here. That's a bit high, but yeah. Let's go like this. And if we go even higher, let's add an alert. Right, which if they trigger, I will look at the chart. That's pretty much what I do. Okay, let's move this to the side. Let's have a look at this action here. I'm just gonna put a box on top of it so we see like, and just gonna go with like, actually I'm just gonna change the color of it. Can we do something border? Let's do this orange. That's cool. Yeah, okay, whatever. Let's look on M5 because I'm pretty sure there was nothing there. Yeah, see. So this is the previous area. We reach it, some kind of reaction, and I was looking for a wave down, but we break higher. And these, I mean, notice how the pins are formed, the tags here, and the kind of more flat here and tagging here. Look, if you not see it, now you're seeing what I'm seeing, right? Flat here, flat action, really tall. Yeah, it doesn't want this, so it wants to go higher, and it does, right? So I was looking for what I wanted to see, bear reaction, which we didn't get. Reaction, high, reaction, nothing, higher, down, higher, right? And then like after 100 hours, I pretty much stopped watching the chart. Yeah, so it doesn't really matter. Another day, another signal, right? So like this is now M5, there was nothing here. And we can maybe we can find the signal on the other signal I found actually. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, the green level. Yes, the green box, right? We came to that. Where did I enter off? What's the clock? Actually, I think I entered flat off the H1 on that one. I think I did. But even so, I mean, we have within the area. Yeah, let's move this. Yeah, this is the green box here. So here, let's go blue box. So this is reaching the level. We get past this and we create a low, retrace a low, and we need to get back. Here we get back to it, another low, and I think from this I would have to check the platform. But yeah, I also entered on a M5 on the NQ yesterday, just like few minutes before the news. And it, might have been a bit silly, but it worked out. Yeah. Well. Yeah. I think next I will need to. I have an idea for another stream, so yeah. Okay, let's put things back where they are supposed to be. This needs to be here. Yeah. As you see, this pin, oh that's right, I remember, I didn't use the entry model for this particular item. So on the, I was on my phone, right? And even though this is futures, this is CL, right? This pin was, I think was beneath, was inside the box, or perhaps if it was this one, I set the stop at this high. and the logic was we have the lower end of the box, we have the higher end of the box, so we are covering 2 levels with doing that. I normally like to cover 2 levels when I place a stop, right? So if I were to short here, I would like to be up here because that means I'm covering this and this. So this pin bar was the one used, this was the level target, and we got there. Okay, and yeah, I will I think that will have to be it for today. Post your questions, push the like button if you like it, and yeah, if you have any good ideas, I might have a look at them.